Good morning, friends. Today is the 22nd day of our Mridul thoughts on repertory, and I'm going to discuss today about some of the mental rubrics. And it is that we all know mental rubrics is almost all the rubrics that are derived from the symptoms as observed during the proving, as well as in the patient. Basically, we as homeopath coming from the medical school with education related to disease and application of medicines have little attention on the mental symptoms. The study of psychology is very much required for understanding the applicability of mental symptoms. From the psychological point of view, we have a very wider classification for the mind as it is widely grouped into emotions, intellect, and wills. Arrangement of all the mental rubrics in all repertory are in alphabetical order. We need to develop more concept for psychology. There are some publications coming up with applied psychology in materia medica, but before talking them for use, it requires to be in accordance with the symptoms available in the original source book. Also, we need to take into consideration about the way medicines were developed, proved. And recently we heard about dream proving of some medicines where dream were taken as a symptoms which comes which doubt about the being so of information can throw more light on the result. Hypothetical understanding must be confirmed with clinical work. Right from the beginning, these way of proving have been conducted as we read different mathematics, we don't get contradictory symptoms. These are more important for the rare group of remedies, where we have to rely on few symptoms only. The history of development of some of the rare medicines growing from the polycrest, we grown up growing into the polycrest group, uh, effects of the doubts become more confirmed. Some which requires more of the for selecting them in the using these rubrics, we must keep in mind that a patient is never represented by a single symptom, however peculiar or rare they may appear. Concept of generalizations can be helpful in getting the authentic medicines emerge the whole by taking a small rubric along with the general symptoms. So, friends, we have to be careful when we see for the any type of the additions in the report. Many of the symptoms that are added are on the hypothetical basis. This is very important and a caution for us. Unless we verify from the original source book, they should not be considered. So, with these words, I thank you very much, and I hope we shall continue the learning about my thoughts on the repertory. Thank you very much.